So let's go ahead and get started with creating your first Google tour. For Great Falls Public Schools, you're going to go ahead and just Google GFPS, which will bring us to our main page, and you'll click on Online Resources. If that doesn't come right up, go ahead and click on Great Falls Public Schools, and underneath Parents and Students, you'll see the online resources here, and then your Google Drive. Once you get to your Google Drive, use your regular login to log into your Google Drive. And now we're getting ready to create our first tour. So I'm going to open up another tab and I'm going to Google Tours, or Google Tour. And the Google Tour Builder should pop up. So I'm going to click here. And if I click on Sign In, it should already take you right in because you're logged in to your Google Drive. So log into that Google Drive first and then just go to Tour Builder, click on Login, and it should automatically pick that up for you. Alright, so now that we're here, we're going to click on Create a Tour. If you have already started your tour, you'll click on View a Tour and then you can click on Edit from there. I'm going to click on Create a Tour. We have to give a tour name. And if it's a class, put your teacher's name in here as well. And then your name here. And then click Create Tour. Now if you're a student, if you just put your first name and last initial, that will be perfect. That will keep you private. And even if you're an adult, you may wish to do that as well and not have your name out there creating a digital footprint. Okay, as you see, we've got our Google Tour here. This probably looks familiar to a lot of you. We have Google Earth in here, and also if this doesn't pop up, it may ask you to load the plugin. If you're at Great Falls Public Schools, you can go out there and get the plugin in the Add Remove programs. Otherwise, just click on Download the plugin if you are have permissions to load programs on your machine. Okay, so now we can see our tour name here and the author. If you messed up, you can go ahead and change things there. This is your introduction slide created already, and what this does basically is it creates slides as you move around on your tour, kind of like PowerPoint. And for each slide, you're going to put information in here. You can add photos, you're going to add your description. Story 3D is the best way, I think, instead of a 2D flat map. You can change your path color so that when it draws it on the map, that's what path you have. Yellow is the default. And underneath advanced options, there are a few things that you might want to check. If you want the roads to show, you can click roads. If you don't want these things to show, you can uncheck them. So in our introduction slide, you'll probably want to give a little information. This tour will take you around Switzerland, looking at the geography, cities, and yada yada. So give some information in here in full sentences. Then you'll want to add photos. So I'm going to click on Add a Photo. Notice you can add a photo from your album, you can upload photos, you can search, or if you already know the URL, you could type it in or paste it in. I'm going to search for images. I want Switzerland. This is my introduction slide, so maybe I'll want the flag and a map of Switzerland in here. It's not a specific place, so I can hold the Control key down to select multiple images to create a slideshow. I thought I could. I was able to before. It's not doing it, so I click Select, and I guess on the introduction picture you can't do the slideshow, but so there's my introduction picture. Now I want to notice that the saved is grayed out. That means it's saved automatically for me, but when I'm finished, I'll want to go ahead and make sure that I sign out. If saved isn't grayed out, I would click Save, and then I'm going to sign out. So the next person who uses the computer isn't logged into my Google Docs. And in the next section, I'll show you how to search for items and pin them.